Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another restoration. Today we're going to be tackling the footprint wrench. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well here is the footprint wrench that I picked up a couple of months ago from our big flea market. It's probably been about 6 months now. I was blown away when I found this. It's not in the best of shape, trust me. It's not. The original hardware is not with it. There is some mushrooming on the metal. The pry end or screwdriver end, however you want to utilize that, it looks like it's been through, I don't know, something. So we're gonna have to try and straighten that out a little bit. I don't really like that. There's a big bend in it. I don't know if that's supposed to be there like that. I don't think it is, but we're gonna try and straighten it out. Somebody did put their mark on there. That's quite cool. I'm just gonna totally leave that. That's the character for it, and yeah, I'm quite happy to keep that on there. So this thing is gonna break down real easy. It's just this this nut and bolt that runs through it, and then it just literally breaks down like that. So real fast disassemble. There's really not much to these, and I just think they're a damn cool tool. Plus I think that little footprint logo is the cutest thing ever, so that's awesome. So let's start cleaning this up. Alrighty guys, we got us a used 120 on there. Let's get at it. So let's get a little bit of heat on this. I don't want to go too crazy, but I do want to get it hot enough to where I can flatten this thing out. So let's go. Shit, that's straighter already. Still has a slight little crook to it, which is okay. It was twisted, so I got the twist out. That's all right. That'll work. And I didn't even get it that hot. I mean, it definitely changed color. She went a little blue on me, but it's not like I'm actually going to use this as a pry bar or a screwdriver. I can still anneal it after the fact, but yeah, there we go. At least it's not crooked anymore like it was. I mean, it's still, don't get me wrong, it's still crooked as a politician, but it's not twisted like one. So, all right. I can work with that. Woo! Sucker's hot. A little bit of water sitting there on my table and got a little crazy. Alright guys, so what I think I'm going to do is throw this right into this container. We are going to fill it up with a brand new solution of Deoxy. If you guys are interested in Deoxy, you can hit the link in the description below. I use 1 cup for 1 gallon of water. Mix it thoroughly. And that is that. Leave a little bit of headroom at the top. Alright guys, it's the following evening. I just got off of work. And we're going to pull this thing out of the Deoxy. See how good it looks. That's a lot better, I think. Let me get the little bits and pieces out of there. Oh, I forgot. That nut is brass. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get that out of there. That sucks. I don't have any real long needle nose. What can I use? You know what I need is one of those real long little grabbers with the thing on the end. Oh, you shit. You. Come on. Get out of there. There we go. Let's get the cap put on this. There we go. So that's soaked in there for about 24 hours. And that's all that it discolored. Again, this thing was super clean when I put it in there anyway. It's a really good way of keeping your solution nice and clean, is to make sure that it's clean. Alrighty. Alright, well, that came out clean. Of course, the brass came out clean. Neighborhood dogs are going crazy. I apologize if you hear them in the background. So I think what I'm going to do is, instead of wire wheeling this down, I'm just going to use the 1x30 with the gray belt on there, and we're just going to give it a one-time over, and this tool will be as clean as it's going to be. So I say we jump right into that. There we go. That's just a bolt that I wrap steel wool around, and it works fantastic. Nice. We can put that away. Yeah, that looks pretty good actually. Quite happy with that. Give me a minute, I'm going to clean up all these little filings and stuff like that, and we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, well, this is the finish we got on it. Came out pretty good. I'm quite happy with that. It's nice and silky smooth. Almost all of the pitting is off there. There is some areas of pitting, but you can still read the footprint really good. The footprint really good on there. I'm quite happy with that. So let's get this put back together, and we'll call this one done. Again, I do not have the proper hardware for this, but hey, you know what? I mean, it is what it is. This is what I got, so. Well, there it is. Little brass nut, steel screw running through there, and yeah, that's about as good as I can make this thing look. So yeah, I'm quite happy with it. It'll make a fantastic wall hanger, and like I said, it does have the two cracks in it. There's a crack right there. I don't know if that's going to show up, but there is a crack right there and on the other side. So yeah, I'm still happy to have it. Quite cool. Alrighty guys, the footprint. We are all done with this. This thing came out fantastic. I'm quite happy with it. I hope you guys are too. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.